Welcome to the INFOhio campus BLUEcloud Pathway Cataloging class for library staff. This short video will show you how to use SmartSearch. While editing a bibliographic record, you may have noticed the SmartSearch option. SmartSearch enables staff to compare their record with other Z3950 search target matches. This means you can compare a record in your database with another record that OCLC or the Library of Congress might have. Why might you want to do this comparison? Well, SmartSearch enables you to not only compare records easily, but you can also add bibliographic information from the other record to yours, merge the bibliographic information of the two records, or even replace your existing bib record with a new one. To use SmartSearch, first search for a title you would like to use to either compare, merge, or replace the bibliographic information of. This might be a brief record you cataloged on the fly, a record with no subject headings, or a record that would benefit from adding reading program information, for example. Once you have searched for and selected a title from your district's database, choose Edit Record to view the bibliographic information. To initiate the SmartSearch process, click the SmartSearch button. BLUEcloud will begin searching the available Z3950 targets for matches to the record selected. If a match has been made between your database and a Z3950 target, the fields will be highlighted in blue. The left side of the screen lists records from your collection, and the right side of the screen will list matches from the available Z3950 targets. One of the first things you may want to do after the results appear is change the appearance of your titles from a list view to a book river view. To do this, click the book river icon, which looks like three blue rectangles in the upper right-hand corner. You can do this for both your database and your Z3950 target results. It's possible you might get matches from multiple Z3950 targets, and there might also be multiple matches found within a target. Note the right and left facing arrows, which allow you to move through the different Z3950 targets and their results. Now your record and its Z3950 match are displayed side by side. Depending on what information you are looking for, you may need to move through multiple records before you find the information you need. Once you locate a field or tag you would like to incorporate into your district's record, you can click the merge icon, which looks like an arrow pointing to the left, and that field will be incorporated into your bibliographic record. You can also use the crosshairs icon, which looks like a cross or a plus sign, to reorder fields into any configuration you would like. Please note, some reorganization can affect which cover art is shown for a record. If you have questions about this, please contact your INFOhio provider. If you decide that you would rather merge all of the information on the right side with your existing record, you can click Merge at the bottom of the page. The original information on the left is retained, while the additional merged fields will be shaded blue for easy identification. The last SmartSearch option is Replace. If you choose to replace, the bibliographic information on the right-hand side of the screen will replace the bibliographic information on the left-hand side of the screen. This would come in handy for any brief records that you might have created over the years. If you are satisfied with the changes you have made, go ahead and click Save. Keep in mind that once you click Save, you cannot use the Revert button to remove any changes you have made. Revert can only be used before Save has been clicked. A few more things to note about the SmartSearch page. On the left-hand side, which again is your record, you can manually add subfields by clicking the delta to the left of the field. You can also manually add new fields by clicking New Field. This can be found at the bottom of the bibliographic record. You can also access Library of Congress to get help with any tag. Click the Help icon to choose Library of Congress, and a new window will open with helpful information. Last, once you have made any changes to the bibliographic record, you can also make item changes by clicking Manage Holdings. You'll be taken to the item record where you can make changes or add new call numbers and items. If you're happy with your changes, be sure to save them. If you made any mistakes, you can always click Revert to undo any changes that have not yet been saved. For more information on SmartSearch, please see the SmartSearch lesson found in BLUEcloud Cataloging Pathway within INFOhio campus. Questions? Please contact your INFOhio provider for further BLUEcloud support.